Hi, guys. It's Mrs. Nichols. I hope you guys had a great weekend. And I wanted to come on just to explain a little bit about our last social studies project of the year. It's hard to believe, but we are coming to the end of our sixth grade year. And this week, you're going to just get to kind of be creative, have some fun, and show all of the learning that you have done over this fourth quarter about our ancient civilizations. So this week, you are going to be creating an alphabet book on Google Slides about our ancient civilizations. So all of the ancient civilizations should be included somewhere in your book. So you are going to be including information about early humans that we've learned, information about ancient Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, ancient China, and ancient India that we learned about last week. So you are going to, again, choose things from each of those pieces of information, and you are going to make an alphabet book. Now, for your alphabet book, like I said, it is going to be on Google Slides. So on Google Slides, on your Google Classroom, you are going to see that a Google Slide has already been assigned to you. And when you open up yours, your first page is going to be your title page. So again, if you want to title it something similar to mine, you can, or if you have another idea, that's great too. I just named mine Ancient Civilizations Alphabet Book. And I also, again, put our 5 sections on there and a picture. So early humans, Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and India, and then put a picture that kind of represented those. But again, you get to be creative with this. You can pick your font. You can pick your color. You can do this however you would like. So, again, hopefully you'll get to have a little bit of fun with it. Now, for each slide, then you're going to see represents a letter of the alphabet. So these are just examples. Again, I want you to be creative, and there are tons of examples that you can use for each one of these. So mine as an example, I used A is for Ashoka, and I put Ashoka drew a population of about 30 million. And during these times in ancient India, that was a great amount. After his death, the empire dissolved. So I have named my letter and what it stands for. I've given some information at the bottom, and in bold, I kind of put which one of the civilizations does this refer to. Again, just an example, but for B, I put B is for Buddhism. Buddhism was the religion in ancient China during the Han Dynasty. Again, I explained what my letter stands for. I gave a little description, and then I put which one of the civilizations does that go with. And I put a picture. So those are kind of the requirements on each slide for you. Again, just as an example then, C is for cuneiform. Cuneiform was one of the earliest forms of writing in ancient Mesopotamia. Again, what my letter stands for. A little description there. Bolded which one of the civilizations it stands for, and then a little picture to go with it. Now, you can kind of skip around. You don't have to go in any order. If you kind of think, ooh, I know what I want my W to be. Great. Go ahead and complete your W slide. So you do not have to go in any certain order. Our goal is, though, by the end of the week, that you will be done. So at the end, total, you should have 27 slides. That's for your 26 letters and a title page. So today, when you're watching this on Monday, the 18th of May, I want you to watch this video to get started. And then you are going to use Ohio Studies Weekly to help you with this. Again, go on there, look for any letters that you need. You should be able to easily find those letters. And I want you to be creative. If you are having trouble finding a letter for your alphabet book, you can use a letter from cuneiform. You can use something from hieroglyphics. So keep that in mind. Kind of think outside the box with that. And then make sure, again, all of this work is in your own words. It should be in your own words. Do not copy and paste. So please keep that in mind as well. And on Monday, my goal for you is to complete about 5 to 6 slides. So try to complete that. If you work about 30 minutes or so, that is perfect. Now you can always do more if you want, but again, our goal is to get about 5 or 6 slides done. On Tuesday, I want you to continue working on your alphabet book. Again, try to get another 5 or 6 slides done. Wednesday, same thing, continue working on your alphabet book. Try to get another 5 or 6 slides done. And then on Thursday, same thing, continue working. Now, Thursday in my Zoom sessions, be ready to share your 3 favorite slides. So of all the slides that you've completed so far, I want you to complete your 3 favorite slides. And then on Flipgrid on Thursday, I'd like you to go ahead and record a little video, kind of telling your classmates about your 3 favorite slides. So you can tell them what letter did you pick, what does it stand for, give us a little info about it so that we can learn from you as well. And then on Friday, anything that you have left on your alphabet book, make sure to finish that. And then on Google Classroom, hit the Turn In button to submit that to your social studies teacher. And then if you have any remaining assignments for social studies that you still need to do, go ahead and complete and finish those. And that is it for social studies for the year. Remember, our last week is Write to Read week. So our last week of school, the last 3 days, if you are done with assignments, it is just fun wrap-up activities. And then I encourage you, we're going to do just kind of a farewell message Flipgrid. So I encourage you then on Friday to go on and send a little farewell message to your classmates. Again, you can feel free to include any special McCormick memories. They can be from 6th grade. They don't have to be special times that you remember throughout the year. Maybe a little shout out to some of your special friends that have been a part of your McCormick journey. But again, try to record a farewell message on Friday on Flipgrid, and then we'll get to all enjoy reading and seeing each other's messages. I am curious who is listening right now all the way to the end of this video. If you are listening all the way to the end, will you please send me a message? It can be on Dojo, it can be on email, it can be on Schoology. And I want you to just put 6th grade rocks. That's going to be our clue words, and I will send you a special prize in the mail for sending me 6th grade rocks. So have fun, guys, this week. Enjoy doing the project. I can't wait to see all of the hard work that you do, and we'll share Thursday in our Zoom sessions some of your learning. Have fun and have a wonderful day. I miss you.